What are interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills refer to the ability to communicate, engage, and collaborate effectively with individuals and organizations. Strong interpersonal skills make a person an effective communicator, both verbally and non-verbally, and contribute to success in personal and professional life. In the workplace, interpersonal skills determine how efficiently an individual can work with others, covering areas such as communication, listening, behavior, and attitude. Often referred to as soft skills, people skills, or emotional intelligence, they define how one interacts with colleagues, managers, suppliers, and customers. Employers highly value these skills, as they are essential for maintaining productive professional relationships, regardless of job roles. Even in careers that emphasize independent work, such as software development, writing, or data analysis, interpersonal skills remain crucial for collaboration and teamwork. Social intelligence, another term for interpersonal skills, varies among individuals but can be developed over time. While some people may naturally possess strong interpersonal abilities, others can enhance these skills through practice and experience. Given that most professional and personal interactions require effective communication, developing interpersonal skills is key to building meaningful relationships and achieving career success.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Improving interpersonal skills involves being mindful of body language, maintaining a confident and approachable demeanor, and demonstrating commitment and courtesy in workplace interactions. Practicing public speaking, leading meetings, and fostering positive relationships can also strengthen these skills. Different types of interpersonal skills contribute to professional growth. Self-confidence helps in making a strong first impression and handling workplace challenges effectively. Communication skills, including public speaking and clear expression, are essential across various professions. A strong work ethic, demonstrated through dependability, professionalism, and respect, establishes credibility within an organization. Leadership skills enable individuals to motivate and guide teams toward shared goals. Nonverbal communication, including body language and gestures, plays a significant role in workplace interactions. Conflict management is another critical skill, as resolving disputes fairly and effectively ensures a harmonious work environment. Maintaining strong professional relationships based on mutual respect and trust is vital for long-term success. A positive attitude enhances workplace dynamics, making employees more approachable and valued within their organizations. While it is not necessary to be overly outgoing, fostering friendly and supportive relationships with colleagues can improve both job satisfaction and career opportunities. Employers seek individuals who contribute to a constructive work environment, and those with a positive outlook are more likely to succeed in professional settings. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.